Hey guys, Samantha Rose here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a natural makeup routine. Hope you guys enjoy! Today I'm going to be using my Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my skin and blend it out with my BH Cosmetics blending brush. And I'm also going to go ahead and use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my AIRSPUN setting powder. I don't usually bake just because this powder is a little white on my skin. I am going to go ahead and contour my cheeks just to give them a little bit more definition. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my NYX setting spray. And before I apply my lashes, I go ahead and put highlighter on my nose, cheeks, and chin, and also my forehead. I was about to go to work in this video, so I did go ahead and flat iron my hair. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias. They'll be linked in the description bar down below. Bye guys! I did go ahead and leave the wig in for about like 5 minutes.